Hello, welcome to the new video. You might be inclined to think I was inhaling volatile organic compounds from photopolymer resin during the creation of this video, but I was not. This video will indeed be about assigning the most suitable car to famous physicists. So how is this going to work? Well, for each branch of physics I'm going to assign representatives to it and assign to the representatives the most suitable car. Cars used in this video are going to be cars that are currently in use, roughly cars that are produced from 2010 and onwards with a focus on European market. Branches of physics and representatives are vaguely picked with subjective preferences, as this video is made for entertainment purposes only and as such shouldn't be taken too seriously, and therefore you shouldn't be angry if your list is different than mine. Before we continue with this video, please support my two full programming projects, Demis and Terra Lisa, and support my two interdisciplinary projects where programming is only a part of the project, Baker and another project. And of course, as usual, like and subscribe. Isaac Newton, Rolls-Royce Phantom, Classical Mechanics. Isaac Newton, as someone who made first-grade unification in physics, established three laws of motion, law of gravity, calculus with seminal contributions to optics, he will be assigned the most luxurious car of them all, Rolls-Royce Phantom. Because we have many physicists in this video, I will just mention their biggest contributions. My goal is to inspire you to do your own research and discover other important things about their work. Because physicists are usually logical in their soul, I won't give them hypercars which are unpractical. Joseph Louis Lagrange, Lexus LS, Classical Mechanics. Lagrange, my favorite physicist. He will be assigned maybe the best car in normal price range, Lexus LS. Lexus is underrated for its pristine reliability in Europe. In USA they drive lots of Lexus cars, which is good. Lagrange, besides many contributions to mathematics, created new formalism of Newtonian mechanics which gave the same results. Lagrangian mechanics enabled us to solve difficult problems like double pendulum much faster. Lagrangian, the function, is also the basis for future theories like quantum mechanics and quantum field theory. Standard model's formula is written in form of Lagrangian. Ibn al-Haytham, Ladanila optics, father of optics, stated the principle of least time before Fermat. He is the oldest on the list, so he will be assigned rather old but very reliable car, Ladanila. Michael Faraday, Rolls-Royce Spectre, electromagnetism, self-taught physicist and chemist. As a chemist, he discovered benzene, carbon tetrachloride, popularized terms such as anode, cathode, electrode, and ion. As a physicist, he discovered principles underlying electromagnetic induction, demagnetism, and electrolysis. He also constructed Faraday cage. His extent of the science and engineering is magnificent. He also founded famous Christmas lectures. Rolls-Royce Spectre will be assigned to him. It is an electric car after all. James Clerk Maxwell, Mercedes-Benz EQS electromagnetism. Fortunately, Faraday lacked mathematical formulas. This is where Maxwell comes in. His equations, Maxwell's equations, form the foundation of electromagnetism, but his impact is more profound. His equations represent second big unification in physics, unification of electric and magnetic force. Luxurious electric car, Mercedes-Benz EQS, will be assigned to him. It is an electric car after all. Ludwig Boltzmann, Volvo S90, thermodynamics and statistical mechanics. Father of thermodynamics, very important branch of physics, which is basically everywhere, even in artificial intelligence. There are connections between artificial intelligence, quantum field theory, and thermodynamics. For his contributions, he gets an F-segment car, Volvo S90. Volvo cars are very safe, so that is what will be assigned to him. Albert Einstein, Land Rover Defender, relativity. Annus Mirabilis, 1905. Photoelectric effect, Brownian motion, special theory of relativity, and E equal mc squared equation. Brownian motion proved the existence of atoms. Photoelectric effect helped start quantum mechanics. E equal mc squared gave us nuclear fission, and special theory of relativity improved Newton mechanics for high speeds and huge distances. Later, Einstein made general theory of relativity, which is one of the two pillars of modern physics, other being quantum mechanics. He will be assigned to a Land Rover Defender, a luxurious car. Subrahmanyan Chandrasekhar, Toyota Highlander, astrophysics. He made significant contributions to the scientific knowledge about the structure of stars, stellar evolution, and black holes. He also devoted some of his prime years to fluid dynamics, especially stability and turbulence, and made important contributions. Chandra X-ray Observatory is named after him. He will be assigned to a Highlander, which is a good car. Edwin Hubble, Jeep Wrangler, Astrophysics. He proved that many objects previously thought to be clouds of dust and gas and classified as nebulae were galaxies beyond the Milky Way. He also confirmed in 1929 that the recessional velocity of a galaxy increases with its distance from Earth, a behavior that became known as Hubble's law, although it had been proposed 2 years earlier by Georges Lemaitre. The law implies that the universe is expanding. The universe expands at a rate of either 67 kilometers per second per megaparsecs or 73 kilometers per second per megaparsecs, depending on which experiment you use. Marie Curie, BMW 7, nuclear physics. First woman to win Nobel Prize, first person to win twice, 1903 for physics and 1911 in chemistry. Discovered radium and polonium, coined the term radioactivity. Her daughter also won Nobel Prize in 1935 in chemistry. BMW 7 luxury car will be assigned to one of the best physicists of all time. Enrico Fermi, Audi A8, nuclear physics. Creator of the first nuclear reactor, creator of Fermi direct statistics, and many other things. His contributions are very important to the field of nuclear physics. As Curie, another 14th scientist, he has an element named after him. Audi A8 F-segment car will be assigned to him. Glenn T. Seaborg, Mazda CX-5, nuclear physics. Maybe not the most important scientist of all time, but he made big contributions to the synthesis, discovery, and investigation of 10 transuranium elements. He is the first person to have an element named after him while he was still alive. Mazda CX-5 will be assigned to him, which is a good car. Max Planck, Mercedes-Benz S-Class, quantum mechanics. One of the fathers of quantum physics. There is also Planck constant and Planck length. For such a theory, he will be assigned a Mercedes-Benz S-Class. It is a luxurious car. There is also a constant and a length named after him. Good thing he didn't quit physics when his teacher said to him physics is nearly complete. Erwin Schrödinger, Bentley Flying Spur, quantum mechanics. One of the fathers of quantum physics. Quantum entanglement, Schrödinger equation, ratings. For such a theory, he will be assigned a Bentley Flying Spur, very luxurious car. Werner Heisenberg, Porsche 911, quantum mechanics. One of the fathers of quantum physics. Matrix formulation, uncertainty principle, hydrodynamics, wave function collapse, gratings. For such a theory, he will be assigned a Porsche 911 because a Porsche 911 is a fast car, and you cannot know both the position and velocity of an object. Paul Dirac, Volkswagen Golf, quantum field theory. Father of quantum field theory, theoretical framework that combines field theory, special relativity, and quantum mechanics. It is the basis for Standard Model, our best theory to date, which combined with Einstein's general relativity form pillars of modern physics. Paul Dirac is also discoverer of the antimatter, which he discovered accidentally when he realized that his relativistic wave equation had negative solutions. His colleagues created a unit of measure Dirac, when Dirac is 1 watt per hour, though his wife changed him for the better. He will be assigned Volkswagen Golf. Golf is not flashy, but it is a very important car to the ordinary people, and Dirac's work is also important to all of us. Richard Feynman, Porsche Panamera, quantum field theory. Father of quantum electrodynamics, made huge contributions to the field of particle physics and the physics of superfluidity. Feynman diagrams are very popular. He will be assigned a Porsche Panamera, very good car. John Bardeen, Koenigsegg Gemera, condensed matter physics. Nobel Prize in Physics in 1956 for the invention of transistor. You know, the usual stuff, which powers our computers, phones, TVs, etc. And another Nobel Prize in 1972 for Bardeen-Kuiper-Schrieffer microscopic theory of superconductivity. He will be assigned a Koenigsegg Gemera. Transistors are very important, and winning 2 Nobel Prizes. I know I said I won't use hypercars, but this hypercar is practical. Koenigsegg Gemera is the first 4-seated hypercar. Steven Weinberg, Volkswagen Touareg, particle physics. Unification of the weak and electromagnetic force together with Abdus Salam and Sheldon Glashow. He's not as popular as others, so he will be assigned a Volkswagen Touareg. Just a cool SUV. Abdus Salam, Hyundai Tucson, particle physics. Unification of the weak and electromagnetic force together with Steven Weinberg and Sheldon Glashow. He's not as popular as others, so he will be assigned a Hyundai Tucson. Just a cool SUV. Sheldon Glashow, Renault Koleos, particle physics. Unification of the weak and electromagnetic force together with Steven Weinberg and Abdus Salam. He's not as popular as others, so he will be assigned a Renault Koleos. Just a cool SUV. And here are the sources for the images used. So they are going from left to right, from first slide to the last slide. If I have made a mistake, it is a genuine mistake when citing these sources. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. As I said, this is a highly subjective list whose goal is to entertain you and encourage you to do your own research. I wish you happy holidays and happy 2026. For the end, I would like to thank my reviewers who gave invaluable feedback to the video's script. As usual, like and subscribe. See you in the next video or live stream.